Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. This vehicle is featured in red metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, front and rear privacy tint, black leather interior with heated and cooled seats, backup camera, and sunroof. Now on to the interior of this Silverado. We'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off with our door panel. We have our black leather, memory seat option, chrome door handle, and then our power window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in. Below we have our wooden trim, Bose speaker, and storage. On the side of the seat we have power seat adjustment with lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive system, lighting settings, and then gauge cluster. In the middle of the gauge cluster we have a screen. Controls for that screen are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left we have our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel option. And the wheels wrapped in black leather with Chevrolet badge in the middle. Our gear selection stalk with our trailering option and manual gear selection. Infotainment screen, which displays our audio, phone, projection for our phone, navigation, and our applications. And we also have our integrated reverse camera with adaptive guidelines. Below we have our radio controls and CD player, dual zone climate controls, then heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Below that we have our pedal adjustment, traction control, truck bed lighting, as well as our park assist and lane departure warning. Some charging outlets underneath. Then we have storage, two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with wireless charging port. And inside we have more charging ports. The front seats are featured in black leather with High Country embossed into the headrests and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And again, these are heated and cooled seats. On the rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, a sunglass holder, and overhead we have a gray headliner and sunroof and moonroof. Now moving on to the exterior of the High Country, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our High Country badging featured in chrome mirror caps and door handles as well, then front and rear privacy tint, 4x4 badging around the back, and then a paint matched bumper with bumper steps, blacked out Chevrolet emblems. Then we have our Silverado and High Country also in chrome. And inside of the truck bed is fully lined with the Chevrolet badge at the front. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, wooden trim, window controls, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have some storage and a charging outlet. The rear seats are featured in black leather with perforated leather, and our fold-out center seat featuring 2 cup holders and an armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.